Morning, we have in front of us here the Adam LBX. It's a 3 kg by 0.5 gram division scale. So we're just going to quickly switch it on. So it's got high, low, go feature. Nice basic weighing scale with stainless steel weight pan. Just put the weight on. Okay, it needs to be calibrated, but it's got a multiple mode button here where you can go into different modes. And then you can also do the counting, percentage weighing, check weighing, and that's for the calibration. Different units, kg, grams. It's quite a nice little versatile scale. So if you've got inquiries, contact us at shane@baselinescales.co.za.